Hey everyone, just wanted to pull a quick video here because I saw something on Coinbase that I thought was pretty interesting. As you can see, as the price got up to 39,000, there was a wall that was it was like 145 Bitcoin there. All right, 46 left. You saw it there for a second, and it was just sitting there, allowing it to be eaten up. And what I want to point out is they could have hidden their operations a little bit better, in my opinion, but this is someone like, I think, F2 Pool putting up a sale, as you can see right here, but it's allowing, you could see huge amounts of these aren't small, these are 100,000. So you can see the bid 300, almost 300,000 worth of Bitcoin right here. And it's just being eaten up. Like, this is how large investors are getting in. You can see it's sitting here at 39,000. That's not normal trading. All right, so we finally broken 39,000. That's pretty cool. But that right there, that's large investors getting in. That's how they're getting in. You're seeing all these micro transactions over here on the right. Yeah, you might see like a one, a two. These are all buys. Like, these are large institutions using their micro, hyper, fast transactions with their APIs and algorithms that they plug into. They don't even have to like go directly to Coinbase. They could just use an API, use an algorithm that fractionalizes trades, and they can get in really, really quickly and without really moving the market a whole bunch. Like you saw there, like F2 Pool recently has been noted for selling into all of the pressure, and I think that there's a reason for that. I think that they know people, large institutions, investors want to get in, and I think perhaps there could be, nobody knows, there was an agreement behind doors to where say Elon Musk would say something about Bitcoin or Dogecoin, and obviously hype would bring the price up, and so F2 would sell into that. But as the price was going up, that was large investors buying in, and the only way for the large investors to get in without moving the price is if somebody with a large amount of Bitcoin is able to sell to them, because the little investor isn't selling. You and I aren't selling. Like, we're just holding because we see the potential. There are several traders obviously out there, and algorithm traders that are hyper trading, Bitcoin on several exchanges and everything. But this is just one example that I was able to quickly capture here of just how people were able to get in. And you could see like this whole side of the screen is just flashing green, like you just saw. So we could easily pop 40,000 here in the next 10, 15 minutes or an hour or whatever. And then, once we get above the 40, 42, which was our kind of last previous high, then we're kind of open into the blue skies area. And I think we'll hit 50, go a little bit above 50, and then 50 should act as new support. Or it could trade just a little bit below 50, like if we have been below 40 here. So, if we look at the 1 day chart, so you can see it's creeping back up. So we need to hit, yeah, pretty much 40. We need to break 42,000 before I'll even get excited again. But over the past few days, it has been running up, but pretty much the entire month of January was just sales from F2 Pool trying to keep the price down. And I think that was negotiated. I think that's, people with a lot of money working with other people with a lot of money, and that's just how they do it. It's just how they can control the price of things right now. Bitcoin is not obviously immune to all sorts of manipulation, but as things develop, I think once Bitcoin is more spread around, you're going to see less volatility than this. So just thought I'd bring that out there. I thought that was kind of interesting. I hope y'all found that interesting too. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.